DJ Channels Final Mix. Hello guys, this is Vibes Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to design a mock-up of a 3D jacket logo. Okay, so basically we're going to use two softwares, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, to make this happen. If you don't have those ones, I'm going to put the link in the description down below for you to download. Okay, so first of all, we open our Adobe Illustrator program. We click on File and then we click on New. And then we click on Web. We choose the common one and then click Create. We're gonna choose our font size. We're gonna put it at 150. Okay, and then I'm just gonna speed things up for this logo design because it's gonna take a bit of time. So it's up to you. You can either follow these steps or you can create your own. Alright, so I'll come back when the design is finished so that we can go to the next step. DJ Channels Final Mix. Okay, so now that our logo design is complete, we're gonna click on file and then we export. So we're gonna click on export as it has to be a PSD file. Leave everything as is and then click on OK. And then we close our Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so I'm gonna use this mockup from FreePic. It is a free mockup, a 3D mockup, but it has certain conditions that you have to follow. All right, so now that it has been downloaded, I'm gonna open my Adobe Photoshop application. We're gonna click on file, open. We go to where we saved our downloaded 3D mockup for the jacket, and then we open that one, and then we're gonna double click on a layer which says your design, and then we're gonna drop our saved PSD file, and then we're gonna tick hide that other layer, close. So this is how the logo finally looks like on the black hoodie jacket. Just zoom a bit so that you can see how it looks like. So after this, you can present this to your clients or whatever, and then the final step is to export our final design either as a PNG file or as a JPG file. This is where you choose your final format. Please don't mind this dude in the background, is making noise. And then we're gonna give it a name right here, and let's name it jacket tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.